Hello friends, so today I'm going to show you how to restore your dried paints with this Camel Medium 2, which is easily available and very economical. So this is a chalk paint from Itsy Bitsy. Uh, it had dried up, and I have poured 2 caps of Camel Medium 2 into it last night, and I would like to show you how the paint has diluted and has come back to its original form. I'll just make few strokes and show. So this is the Itsy Bitsy chalk paint. I had bought this 2 years back, and now it had started drying up. This is the Itsy Bitsy chalk paint, and this is the home decor folk art chalk paint. This had completely dried up. So into this also I poured the Camel Medium 2. I wanted to use it yesterday, but since it had dried up, I couldn't, and I was just very upset. So I decided to just try it out using this Camel Medium 2, and it worked out very nicely. And here you can see now that I can apply the paint very easily. So I tried it on, thought of trying it on other mediums also. This is the acrylic chalk paint, the black Fevicryl. It had completely dried up, and I was just going to throw the bottle, and now you can see that it has become very smooth and easy to use now. Applying few strokes. Here you can see. And now this is the Fresco Gesso from Cadence. Even this had dried up, and I had poured the Camel Medium to just 1 hour back. And I'm just mixing it up with a brush. So it may take time because it is a bit thicker. It is a gesso. And now this is the uh, next chalk paint from Cadence, and here you can see the layer of the Camel Medium 2, and I'm mixing it with a brush. And I when I mixed it up with the brush, which was the bristles of which had been hardened up, and after I mixed it up, the brush bristles also became very soft after I washed them. So this is also the benefit of the medium. And see how nicely it has blended, and it has really restored the paints. I'm so happy, and I will hope that you all try this. It is so economical. And this is the metallic paint from iCraft. It is the gray color metallic paint, and see how I poured the medium over it, and I'm mixing it with a brush. So whenever your paints dry up, you can just use this method of restoring your paints. And I hope this will be very helpful to all the crafters over here. This bottle cost only 30 rupees because it is the MRP written on it is 30 rupees. It is a very old bottle. Maybe the price has increased little bit, but it is very, very economical. This is the Inca Gold, our favorite since long, and this had dried up and I had planned to throw it, but here you can see that the consistency has started changing. It has not become very soft, but then too it has changed. It was very, very hard, and now you can see that I can apply it. The soft layer which has formed, I am able to use it, and I'll use it on one of my projects. So what else can we want? I mean, this is a very, very nice medium I have found, and I'm so happy that I'm sharing it with all of you. So we can try it out on all the different brand paints which are drying up. Friends, have a look at the strokes I have done with this restored paints, and I'll show you how much of the medium is to be poured in the dried paints. So this is the dried Itsy Bitsy chalk paint I have, and I've got half of it, half bottle of this which has dried up, and I'll pour 2 caps full of this Camel Medium 2. Just shake the medium properly. Just shake the bottle and pour 2 caps of the medium into the dried paint bottle, and this half of the bottle of the dried paint, I'll just close the bottle, shake it, and keep it for half an hour. After half an hour, I'll show you the consistency, how smooth it has turned up. And this can be used, reused again, friends. And all the chalk paints can be now restored with the help of this Camel Medium 2. And the brush I have used has also become very, very soft, which was earlier hard, and the bristles have become soft. And after I wash them, I'll just be able to use the brush also again. This is the Camel Medium 2. Hope you all try this, and thanks for watching the video, friends.